Running a retail business means managing purchases, inventory, billing customers, suppliers, payments, expenses, and even services all at once. That's a lot to manage. What if one app could handle it all for you? This is Vovos, your complete retail business operating system. The Vovos dashboard gives you a complete view of your business, whether you sell products, services, or both, all in one place. Track sales, stock, pending payments, expenses, and key business insights from a single screen. Everything you need right where you need it. Create GST and non-GST bills for both products and services in seconds. Use smart billing features like barcode scanning and voice billing to speed up your sales process. Manage customers, accept multiple payment modes, track dues, generate invoices, and handle returns and exchanges, all inside one powerful sales module. Manage inventory smarter with insights like fast-moving products, slow-moving products, low stock alerts, and expiring soon items. Add products, track stock in real time, manage batches and expiry dates, and organize products by category with complete visibility and control. Raise purchase orders, receive stock through GRN, manage supplier payments, and track every purchase seamlessly. No more manual follow-ups. No more disconnected records, just smoother purchasing and better supplier management. Track every business expense. From maintenance to operational costs, Vovos helps you record, organize, and monitor expenses with complete financial visibility. Get powerful business reports anytime. Analyze sales, inventory, purchases, expenses, GST, and customer data, helping you make smarter business decisions. And this is where Vovos gets smarter. With AI-powered retail intelligence, get recommendations on stock planning, profit risks, purchasing decisions, and business growth opportunities directly from your data. Customize your store settings, manage invoices, configure payments, raise support tickets, and control everything from one place. And with secure cloud storage, your business data is automatically saved in real time. Sales records, inventory data, customer details, payments, everything stays protected and accessible whenever you need it. No risk of losing important business data. Sales, inventory, purchases, expenses, reports, AI insights, secure cloud storage. Everything your retail business needs, whether it's products or services, all in one powerful app. Vovos. Run your business smarter. Grow with confidence. Download Vovos today and simplify your business operations.